In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Open to Work frame from your LinkedIn profile, a handy skill if you're looking to manage or update your visibility on the platform. Whether you're switching jobs, already employed, or simply want to adjust who can see your job-seeking status, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step, focusing on desktop users. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to your LinkedIn profile. Begin by heading over to LinkedIn's homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top of the page where your profile picture is located. Click on your profile picture and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select View Profile. This action will take you directly to your personal profile page, where you can make all the necessary adjustments. Now that you're on your profile page, the next task is to locate the Open to Work section. You'll typically find this section right below your profile picture, making it easy to access without having to scroll too far down the page. Keep a sharp eye out for it because it's usually quite visible, helping you quickly identify the area you need to update. Once you've successfully found the Open to Work section, look for the Edit icon, which takes on the form of a pencil. This icon will be located within the Open to Work box, indicating that it's the key to modifying this part of your profile. Click on this pencil icon to open up the options for change. Here lies the pivotal moment where you can decide exactly how you want to manage the Open to Work feature. You'll be presented with two main choices. The first option is for those who wish to completely remove the Open to Work frame along with the status from their profile. If this sounds like what you want, simply select Delete. For others who might want to maintain the feature but restrict its visibility, there's the second option, Select Recruiters Only. This choice ensures that only recruiters will see that you are open to new opportunities. If you choose to delete this section entirely, you'll need to confirm your choice. The system will prompt you to click Delete once again, ensuring that no accidental deletions occur. It's a simple and effective safety measure designed to double-check your intentions. And there you have it. By following these clear and easy steps, you've now successfully managed your Open to Work settings on LinkedIn, tailoring them to suit your current professional needs. Remember, managing visibility is a strategic move in your career journey, so always ensure your settings reflect your current goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.